being in liberal arts is the only way you can both be free and also make an impact in the world.
The challenges of tomorrow do not come in neat boxes.
Whatever degree we are choosing, it has to be future-proof.
Liberal arts gives you a sense of politics, it gives you a sense of science, it gives you a sense of literature and philosophy, and it truly makes you able to understand how your daily life is sustained, who controls your life, and how you can actually influence that.
You will bridge the gap between where we have been to where we are going, connecting our ancient roots to our future as a global power.
In a world of experiential learning, where you learn by doing, our students have mandatory internships. We also have multiple field visits arranged, multiple workshops, master classes by industry experts, by people who are international faculty who come all the way from across the world to impart in our students the global sentiment.
Having a multidisciplinary approach gives you the ability to actually solve problems as well as be free. Liberal arts was used by the Romans to mean the arts of free people.
This is not just a program. This is your new foundation. Welcome to the liberal arts at Alliance University.